Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to address a topic that affects many men but can be treated with some simple changes: erectile dysfunction. We know this can be a significant concern, but we're here to share practical tips that can help reverse and cure this condition. Stay with us for the next few minutes and discover how to improve your sexual health and overall quality of life. The first tip is to adopt a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fish can improve blood circulation and cardiovascular health, two essential factors for good erectile function. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats, which can harm your overall health. Try to include foods like spinach, avocado, and nuts in your daily diet, as they are rich in nutrients that benefit blood flow. In addition to diet, regular physical exercise is crucial. Exercise improves blood circulation, reduces stress, and increases the production of nitric oxide, a substance that helps relax blood vessels and facilitate erections. Activities like walking, light jogging, swimming, or any exercise you enjoy can be extremely beneficial. Staying active also helps maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for preventing and treating erectile dysfunction. By the way, if you're looking for an additional solution to help improve erectile health, there is a device that has helped many men. It can be an effective tool to complement these lifestyle changes. I will leave more information about this in the video description. And if you are enjoying the tips so far, don't forget to like this video, follow our channel, and leave a comment with your questions. Another important tip is to reduce stress. Stress and anxiety are significant enemies of erectile function as they increase the production of hormones like cortisol, which can make erections difficult. Practices like meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises can help relax the mind and body. Taking time for hobbies, leisure activities, and moments of relaxation is also essential to keep stress levels under control. Finally, a good night's sleep is essential. Sleeping well is crucial for testosterone production and overall health. Try to maintain a regular sleep routine, creating a calm and dark environment for sleeping. Avoid using electronics before bed and practice habits that promote restorative sleep. A good night's sleep can do wonders for your sexual health and overall well-being. These were some simple tips to help reverse and cure erectile dysfunction. Remember, it is always important to consult a doctor to discuss any health concerns and explore all available treatment options. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow our channel, and leave a comment with your questions. See you next time.